Today we have a young woman who got a hair transplant done at a technician intensive clinic locally here in Chandigarh. Not knowing what she is getting into, she sought aesthetic harmony of the forehead, a hairline she wanted restored at its normal level. She had a broad forehead which she wanted framed by lowering the hairline and advancing the temple points. But when hair grew back at the 5-month mark, she was taken aback by the harsh, plug-like hairline made more unnatural due to its linearity and badly angled graft placement. Telltale signs of a cavalier approach towards the basic tenets of hair restoration surgery and a complete lack of knowledge and insensitivity to the aesthetics of hair surgery. Generic FUE, as practiced by most hair mills the world over, though they call it by various names, throw aesthetics out of the window. Because the cost of hiring skilled staff and doing state-of-the-art surgery is mostly not compensated. So clinics cut corners, doctors hold themselves back, and technicians rule the roost. Basic FUE techniques and basic skill of hair transplant often plant uniform hairs in the first few rows, producing an unnatural harsh appearance. Moreover, in this case, the technician's lack of precision in placing the grafts in normal direction, normal angulation, further compounded the issue. All follicles, as you can see here in this picture, are leaning backwards because the slits were made facing backwards. Though everyone knows, even a new doctor, still wet behind his ears, knows that the angle of hair is 10 to 30 degrees facing forwards, and this makes it into a real hairline. So cutting the chase, coming to the crux of the matter today, we use the DHX method, rescuing her aesthetics with elegant subtlety, as you can see in this video later. There is no one method for all seasons. Unlike the one-size-fits-all approaches, the DHX method controls every facet of follicle placement, the density, the angle, the depth, and curl, meticulous graft placement, resulting in harmonious integration with existing hair. DHX upholds a rigorous philosophy which we have honed over the past 18 years of practice. Almost immediate implantation after extraction of the grafts. The graft extraction is done by me personally, and this reduces the out-of-body ischemia time, the time the graft is outside the body while it is being prepared to be implanted. And this preserves their viability and survival potential. By placing grafts more responsibly, the DHX method preserves donor integrity and prioritizes quality over quantity. Sapphire blades create delicate incisions that heal gracefully, avoid cobblestoning, and support dense yet natural packing. The synergy of rapid implantation, minimal trauma, and above all doctored-on procedures transforms the result into something more than a transplant. It becomes a respectful enhancement of biology, a hair transplant of the soul. And in this patient's case, DHX seamlessly camouflaged the misdirected hair, where the earlier basic technique left a stark, unnatural appearance with backward-facing rows, as you can see in this picture, and a pluggy look. DHX blended the edges, added density, and saved the day. Even though some misdirected hairs remain, but they are camouflaged. A reminder that everything cannot be fixed. As you can see, the new rows are so artfully, so softly blended that at 6 months mark, the hairline appears authentically hers, as if untouched by surgical hands. Look at the 6-month milestone. Observe how the hair now frames the face softly and naturally, each angulation aligned as it should be, density uniformly calibrated, and marvel at the transformation. What once looked implausibly planted now reads as just good genetics. In short, the DHX method doesn't just add hair, it restores continuity, it restores subtlety, and the illusion of nature itself. Well, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Have a nice day and God bless you.